The PSpice Advanced Analysis Monte Carlo simulation helps predict the behavior of circuits when component values are varied in their defined tolerance range. Using the measurements provided by PSpice simulations, the Monte Carlo analysis helps to calculate statistical data like yield, mean, standard deviation, and 3 and 6 sigma values. The analysis also displays results in a probability distribution function, or PDF graph, as well as for cumulative distribution function, or CDF graph. Within PSpice installation, there are different types of distribution like Gauss, skew, and bimodal, defined in a specific format. You can also create custom distributions by defining CDF values in this format. Let's create a custom distribution of 6 sigma using calculation in an Excel sheet. Here, we set the divisor, which will be 6 for 6 sigma distribution. Define upper and lower limit, which should be -1 and +1 for PSpice. The mean is defined as 0, and total spread of data points is taken as 21. To calculate PDF using the formula, the sigma or standard deviation is calculated using lower and upper limit, and the denominator is calculated separately. In this data section, we have defined the index from 0 to 21. The X column consists of incremental values from -1 to +1 using the limits and total index points. The PDF column values is calculated using the formula for each X value in a corresponding cell. The CDF column cell values is calculated starting from 0, with the running sum of its initial value and PDF divided by the total sum of PDF values. The column X and column CDF now represent 6 sigma distribution. These are copy-pasted in a text file without any extension and are saved with other predefined distributions in PSpice installation hierarchy with the name Go6. After saving the distribution file, in the schematic, select the components with tolerances and define the distribution name on Component Properties, dist. Then, run PSpice simulation and then launch PSpice Advanced Analysis Monte Carlo analysis. Import the measurements from PSpice simulation and set the Monte Carlo analysis for a desired number of runs. Run the analysis to calculate the measurement results as per distribution defined on the component, one with Gauss distribution and the other with Go6. We can toggle between PDF and CDF graphs to visualize the measured results. This is how you define a custom distribution and run PSpice Advanced Analysis Monte Carlo simulation. If you have any questions or comments or any suggestions for other videos you'd like to see, please leave them in the comment section below.